man, oh what a fate. The earth went boom without a trace. Now he's flying through outer space. Ford prefect says don't be afraid. The Vogon's just like lemonade. So if you're lost and feeling foul, just grab your brain and grab your towel. Don't panic, the guide will say there's always fun in a galactic way. From Magrathea to Marvin's Frown, we're hitchhiking all around. So zip your suit and float a while. We're flying far with cosmic style. And don't forget your towel. Zaphod's got two heads, that's true. And Trillion's got the smarts for two. They've got a ship with a crazy name, the Heart of Gold, and it's not tame. They warp through space with just one thought, a whale and flower pot, why not? With logic, jokes, and robot sass, they're zooming through the stars so fast. Don't panic, the guide will say 42 is the only way. If life feels weird or upside down, you're just a hitchhiker in a cosmic town. So sip some juice and smile a while. We're floating free with funky style. And don't forget your towel. And don't forget your towel. Across the stars the planets spin, with questions deep and fishy fins. A babble fish stuck in your ear, now alien talk is crystal clear. Don't panic, the guide is wise, with jokes and facts and starry skies. When things get odd or way off track, just ride the beam and don't look back. We laugh, we learn, we zoom, we howl. Adventure starts when you bring your towel. So next time Earth begins to shake and spaceships land in your backyard lake, just breathe, relax, and walk in style. You're ready now with your towel.